Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to cover some React interview questions. So these are some basic questions that I'm going to cover in this video. Let's start. The first question is, what are props in React? So props are like parameters passed to a function, and props helps us to pass data from parent component to child component. Next one is, can child component change the props passed from parent component? No. Whether it's a class component or a function component, props can never be updated in the child component. What is state? State is like a local variable in the component which cannot be accessed outside the component. Updating the state in the component causes re-rendering of the component. Can we use props inside child components? Yes, in class components, props can be accessed with this dot props, but in functional components, we can use props only. Is it necessary to have state in each component of React? No, it's not necessary to have state in each component of React. We can have stateless components and stateful components. Is setState function asynchronous? Yes, the setState function is asynchronous. What is the difference between super and super passing props? When we have to use props inside the constructor function, then we have to pass props to the super function. What are hooks used for in React? Hooks actually allows us to use state and other features of class components inside the functional components. For example, to use state inside functional components, we can make use of the useState hook. How to prevent child component from re-rendering? We can make use of should component update method or can use pure components in case of class components. In case of functional components, we can make use of React memo hook. What are pure components in React? Pure components implements the should component update method by default. It performs a shallow comparison of the previous state and the new state before updating the component. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.